Hey, if you move, I will shoot you.
Officer of the law. Officer, listen. There is nothing we cannot settle, right? Look at you. You have been to this work for many years. Still look at where you are. Huh? See, I can upgrade your status. Huh? Give me a account number. Let me send you a token of 500 million naira.
Keep your money. This corruption must stop.
Officer of the law. Listen, I'm a high-profile man in this community. You cannot tarnish my image here, community.
You must defend the law.
Take this money and go your way.
You must defend the law.
Listen, I'm a minister for progress. You don't understand.
I don't care.
You don't care?
Yes.
Seems like you're stubborn.
Under arrest.
So you are going to settle with my boys, okay? Boys.
Arrest.
Boys.
What? Come on, go down. Go down.
Officer, I told you, I gave you an orphan, a handsome one for that matter. You refused. Now look at your life. This is who we are trying to save, and right now you can't even save yourself at this moment. We are doing what we know how to do the best. You can't stop us, no matter who you are. Officer, today you are going to meet your ancestors.
Don't touch that officer.
Who said that?
You don't know, sir.
Boys, go and check, go and check. Boys! Listen, I want you to ruthlessly deal with these idiots. I'm heading to the airport right now to go and fetch my son, who came back from US. Okay? Deal with them. Wait. I can handle them. He's out!
God have mercy upon us. You they use your future to play. You they use your generation to play.
Hold this man in the first place.
You are mad.
Flawless victory. Finish him.
Wait. I quit. Wait. I quit. I work for Chief no more. Calm down.
Café ni cabelo, grande.